How to use Okam Pro app. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Okam Pro application on your mobile device. First is of course open up your Google Play Store or any app store available on your mobile device. And then of course look for Okam Pro. So this is going to be the application that you need. All I have to do, if you already have this, is make sure that it is fully updated into the latest version. Open it up. Now setting it up is very easy. Before using it, you must create an account. Now go ahead and choose on register, hit on agree and continue, and from here choose your designated area code. Um, and then on the second tab is input your full phone number and then choose on get verification code and choose on I have read and agree their terms and agreements. Now you will receive an OTP or a one-time password, input it here so that you can fully create your account. Connecting your camera is very easy. You just need to scan the QR code at the bottom part of your unit and you should be able to set it up by entering your Wi-Fi password. And that is how you use OKAM Pro app.